In this tutorial, we will learn about structure initialization using curly brackets. So there are different methods of initializing structure members, and this is one of the way. So we'll just have a look. For example, if you consider any structure, it begins with keyword struct. Then you can write the name of the structure. For example, let me write a simple date example. So any date will consist of three members. That is what is the day and what is the month and what is the year in that. So this structure consists of three members. Now if you want to assign values to its member, so as we learned in previous class that always when you want to assign values, you need to declare a structure variable. So if you want to use it, you need to declare a structure variable. And how we do that is struct the name of the structure. Now you declare any variable. For example, I give the name as D1. Then if you want to assign values using curly brackets operator, you open and close your curly brackets and assign the values in the same order in which you want to give. So if you observe, first member is day, so you write day first, comma, then month. For example, let us assume some May, fifth month, and next you give the year. For example, I write 2007. Then if you write it in this order, automatically the value 12 is assigned to day, the value 5 is assigned to month, and the value 2007 is assigned to year. And if you want to print it, then you can use printf, and then you can write date is equal to uh, you can write percentage d dash percentage d dash percentage d, and we will replace the first percentage d operator with that operator. Okay, for example, if you want to replace percentage d with another thing, you replace it with structure variable dot that day, comma, then you write the d1 dot month, and then you write d1 dot year. So in this order, if you try to print the value, and let us see the output once. If we compile this code, so it prints date equal to 12/5/2007, because in that order the values got assigned. So this is one of the way of using curly brackets to assign values. So 12/5/2007. Let us take one more example in which let us consider different members in this. For example, let us take any student example. So struct student, and inside that let us declare members of different type. Like let me declare one car name of some 20 characters, and let me define, let that student is studying in some class, so I can declare one class, and let me declare one float as their marks, and for example I can declare one character known as their gender. So either we can write one character, either male or female. Again, if you want to assign values to this, again you need to, if you want to use it, again you need to open your main function, and again you need to declare a structure variable for this. So if you want to again declare structure variable, again write struct keyword, then the name of the structure, and declare some variable. I am here writing s1. So again, if you want to assign the values, use again curly brackets and go in the same order. So for name, if I want to give, I will give some name like some Rohit, and comma, then which class is studying. So we need to write Rohit in double quotes, because if you observe here, this is a string type and strings are always written in double quotes. Then write the class, for example, sixth class, and his marks, for example, some 67.78 percentage, and then gender. So gender is a character, so we need to write it in single quotes. Always characters are written in single quotes and strings are written in double quotes. So if you write like this, automatically the value Rohit will be assigned to name, 6 will be assigned to the class of the student, and 67 will be assigned to the marks, and M will be assigned to the gender. If you want to print each of these characteristics, you can write simple printf and you can print it. For example, printf, so name of student, because it is string data type, write percentage s, and we need to replace percentage s with s1 dot name, because inside the name variable of type s1 the Rohit value is stored. That is why this percentage s will be replaced with s1 dot name. If you want to print other parameters, just will copy this and edit the statement. Next will be class of student, and class is a integer, so write percentage d, and you can write here s1 dot class. Next thing is the marks of student, and marks of student is a float, so you can write percentage f. If you want only two decimal values to be stored, then you can write 0.2f like this, and s1 dot marks. And last one is the gender of student, and because it is a character, you need to write percentage c as the format specifier, and here you write gender. So let us and here you can write return 0 as the way to signify that code is being terminated. So let us run the code once. So these are the values which are displayed, like name was Rohit. So whatever values you assigned using curly brackets, like Rohit 667.8 and M. The one thing you need to remember is you need to assign the values in the same order as the you have declared in your structure. So if name is the first you need to write name only, then class, marks and gender. If you deviate from this order, then again compilation issues will come. So we need to follow that same order in which the structure members are declared. Thank you.